Myself, Prima Manu. I am the PMO. My role in the org is to absorb these wonderful ideas coming out. Of course, the one-to-one connects that I had with Sanil and Venu before joining the organization. Their visions are very clear. They want to reach the 200 million mark by 2028, and that's something that motivated me to jump into school. I feel I'll be a good catalyst in the retail transformation journey. I see myself bringing in value add in terms of fulfilling the aspirations the leaders of this organization have. I definitely have to say that every day when I get up in the morning, the culture in the organization or the vibe that I feel from the colleagues is awesome. It brings me to office every day. You have very senior folks in the organization. When I say senior, it is senior basis the experience, senior basis the age. But when it comes to the mindset, people are really lively, lovely. They possess that energy and nothing better to be in that kind of environment. Yes, I have familiarized myself with the company's visions, what the company is looking out for. The most important routine or a day-to-day activity for a PMO is to follow up and get a closure to all the open items that are there in the organization. So that's a very interesting journey to speak about, and it has a tremendous relevance in terms of materializing the visions the company has. People engagement, yes, is absolutely very relevant to my role. And I am not an introvert, so I get energy from people. I love interacting with people. I love motivating them. The way I find this platform or this office is a space where you get connected with people to get them aligned to the company's visions, and I do my little bit in terms of be it balancing work requirements or be it getting gelled out in terms of the org culture or the org events.